Welcome to the Connectors quiz. This quiz will assess your knowledge of connectors, which are words or phrases used to link different parts of a sentence or connect ideas in a paragraph. Let's get started. We couldn't find a taxi, so we walked home. Although it was very cold, she didn't wear a coat. I woke up because there was a noise. I called him, but his phone was off. Although she's very nice, she doesn't have many friends. There was nothing on TV, so I went to bed. All the cafes were full because it was a public holiday. She studied quite hard, but she failed the exam. What type of connector is, on the other hand? What type of connector is although? She studied hard, so she passed the exam. Which of the following is a correlative conjunction? I enjoy hiking, but I don't have enough time. Which of the following is a coordinating conjunction? He is allergic to peanuts, so he avoids eating them. I love coffee, and I also enjoy tea. We need to buy a new car. However, we can't afford it right now. Although the sun was shining, it wasn't that warm. They had to cancel the concert because of the bad weather. We'll go out as soon as it stops raining. He was expelled from school because of his bad behavior. Once she has a bit more experience, she'll become a fantastic teacher. The first thing I do when I get up is have breakfast. After that, I have a shower and go to work. I usually read the newspaper while I'm having breakfast. I can't sleep well at night because of my insomnia. Congratulations on completing the connectors quiz. You have demonstrated a strong understanding of different types of connectors, including coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and transitional phrases. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.